Hey guys, I was down there, and right after I recorded one of those little structure things I found, my camera stopped abruptly, which seems to be the norm out here. So anyway, I was gonna make another video because I was on my way up here to show you guys more of this structure I found the last time, or that I was showing you guys the last time when I had no audio. So, oh gosh. Anyway, I wanted to show it to you guys again because it really is incredible. There's so much going on right here. That, I know the lighting's not real good at that angle. There it is. It looks like the top of a tree that broke off, and it possibly broke from that tree that it's near, or possibly that one that's dead right there. But anyway, it made its way over here somehow or another, and it was leaned up against these two trees right here. And also there are some sticks that are just strung through this cluster of about 5 trees right here, and it's just like going all through them. And it's really neat. Also found this bent limb right here that was bent down. And to this over here, it's there's like a fork in one of these little trees right here. Forks out, and this large stick that goes down there up through here is strung through the fork, laid through it, and it extends out over there. And there's also this other one that's laid underneath it through the fork also, and it goes all the way down there. It's a pretty long one, and it's actually that whole thing right there. So anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. There's so much going on right here, and this area that I'm standing in it's fairly cleared out right here, so all the leaves are compacted pretty good. So I'm pretty sure it's a spot where they come hang out or something. I'm not sure, but anyway, also want to show you this stuff. There's more of it right here. Just a bunch of sticks brought up, but they are right by these smaller trees which are bent over. There's this large one right here bent with a broken piece right on the end. It's pretty neat. I've seen so many bent trees, and I know I showed you guys a few in the video that I just made across the trail. There's a broken limb right there. I don't know if you can see it, a small tree. It's right there, broken down. So anyway, also some more stuff stacked up near this little cedar tree right here. So anyway, oh, it's all some really wild stuff. I'm hearing tons of noises out here today. Things falling, and sounds like leaves moving, which I am in the woods, so you know, I'm not gonna speculate too much on what that could be, but anyway, this structure is just amazing right here. It's just really wild. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you guys. So sorry I might string the videos together, I don't know. But anyway, some more stuff right there. This is across the road. Sticks just laid up in between these forks. I've noticed almost anywhere that there is a fork in a tree, there's going to be a stick or a branch or something laying through it. I've noticed that out here. There's one just stuck up in the tree right there. It's just so much. There's another one laid up on that tree right there. So there's just so much stuff out here. I have found a lot. There was where my camera stopped, right over there. So don't know, but anyway, I really appreciate everybody watching and all the positive comments and everything, all the likes, even the dislikes. I'm glad some people are out there still refusing to believe stuff. Keeps me motivated. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe to my channel if you want. I'm not stopping these videos anytime soon. There's just too much going on. So if you want to keep up with it, feel free to subscribe. If not, that's cool too. Thanks for watching.